There's nothing out there that can be done. Right now we turn up the party, turn up.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm coming to you today extra moisturized because I am gonna do for the first time in my life a full face of makeup. Yeah, it's exciting. So I'm nervous. I'm either gonna look like a ghost or okay, but I wouldn't lead a hoax, just a baddie. So at the end of this video we'll see which one I become. So stay tuned. So I've already oiled my face because I've watched a lot of makeup tutorials, so hopefully I get it right. But they usually start off with moisturized skin, so moisturize my skin with some coconut oil. Got that little glow. Yeah, so I will just list all the products I use in the description. And this is not just any full face, this is a drugstore full face of makeup. So don't expect to see any Fenty or what are those other big brands, I don't know, Kylie Cosmetics, or none of them. Don't look for them, they're not here. That's what you're looking for, I'm sorry. To the next, because this. But I'm gonna start off with a primer, which is what I usually see them do. I'll start off doing what I know, which is my eyebrows, because at least that much I do. Now I kind of, wow. Now I kind of see why they, yeah. I'm gonna do my eyebrows and I'm gonna come back. Okay, so my eyebrows are done. And now I think I'm gonna go in with foundation. So I have this red. Looks a bit light. Just a tad bit light. Just a tad. Ah, okay, maybe it's not that light. Maybe I'm lighter than I thought. Okay. Gonna feel a little gray. And you know you could always carry mama down. Don't forget to carry mama down, because if you don't carry mama down, then your neck is gonna be a whole different color. We're not about that life. I know my little makeup, but one thing I know is that your neck and your face should be the same color. A lot of girls will forget. I lie to forget. Put a little bit down there. I don't know if you're supposed to do that, but hey, we try new things today. Cause we gotta make sure down there matching. I like my neck. I like my mole. Isn't it cute? Carry she down. Do I do my forehead? Does it look like I have on foundation? Does it look? Oh shoot. There we go. And you always gotta move your head tight. Oh god. gosh, Glenn, is that you? Moving like a whole professional, like I bought this life. Gotta get all up in here, cause you know all they got match. All they got match. You can't have their different color. Yes, girl. Ooh, killing with the pro. You a pro? First time, me? Nope. I've been doing this my whole life. Can't you tell? I'm obviously a makeup guru. Obviously. Obviously a makeup guru. Like, pat sis. You can never blend too much. You can never blend too much, they say. You just keep going. You just keep going. Because we don't want no strokes. We don't want no missing areas. I think I should put more on. You think that's enough? Who knows? Maybe I need some more over my eye. I don't remember putting. Gonna find out today. Yes, girl. Just pack mama on. I must say though, the foundation is very lightweight. Because I have done like a full face of makeup, not like done it myself, but I've had my like makeup done, and sometimes I do feel a little heavy, and I don't get this with this foundation. But then again, it's a cheap foundation, I guess, and it's not what do you call it, I don't think it's full coverage. Okay, so this is just a clap for all them people who do makeup and who do makeup every day, because they want to do foundation, me do all this, all that other jazz yet, and sis already tired. Jesus, kudos to you. Okay, so now I got my concealer. I've realized that I've gotten very light, but not very light, but in comparison, because this was like really light on me when I was doing my eyebrows, and I was like almost my color. That's when you don't get no sun in England. But I know you gotta put this under your oil. See, this look like the same color as my, okay, I can see a little, it's a little brighter. I know you're supposed to put concealer. Under your eyes. And I might need extra because they used to call me raccoon when I was in primary school. Yeah, raccoon, because under my eyes black like I got on a mask. But I okay with it. Just you don't call me raccoon. Just thank you. Boom. You thought I was new at this? And you thought I was new? I'm a pro. And then you take this, which is supposed to be my contour. Right, what you do? And just bam. And just put mama there. Bam. You? I'm a pro. They're supposed to put some down here in it to make your face look slim. Hey, that one new at this. You gotta put some on your nose, right here on the sides. Wham. And on the other side. Wham. Wham. And on your forehead, all up in here. Wham. New? You thought I was new at this? That was my first time? Wham. I think my colors ain't that much far from my skin, but hey, bad girl, bad girl. Okay, so now we're gonna first thing we do is blend our concealer. You dab on them. Wasn't sure if I put that over my eye, but I'ma just blend it here. Boom. And you carry it out. And you carry it out. Yeah, carry it out. Yeah, I talk like I know what I said. Why? And you carry it out. You blend it and you carry it out. Blend it and you bang it out. Bang it. You thought, oh. Sis, I'm made to do this. Bam, bang it out. Is that you, Glenn? Yes, it is. And then you go on the other side and you boom. Bang, bang. Ooh. Jesus. Obviously, I meant to do that. God. That's all part of the tutorial. You're supposed to stab yourself in the eye so that you know how it feels, so that you're always careful when you're doing it the next time. I don't know about just gotta act like you know. Confidence is key when you're doing this, girl. Yes. I don't know if she look good, but the camera to lie sometimes, and the camera to have you feeling yourself when you go outside, you realize you shouldn't leave the house. But I ain't know about you. I think I do good. What do you think? I'm blending good? No harsh spots, right? No harsh spots. Ooh. Ooh. You thought I was new at this? Okay. Oh, girl. I feel like getting frisky. I feel like trying some eye makeup, but I don't own none. Really? Should I try it? That can ruin the face because I know I look a little decent now. Oh, wait. Let me before. Oh gosh, before I create my creases, I just remember. Gosh. Don't say if you don't want no creases. If you don't want no creases, you look up. I don't smell too much with it. You look up and you start baking one time. So I ain't sure how to do it, but I know this is a baking thing. I don't ever see them use this, so I don't know. But all of my brushes got on foundation. Oh shoot. So this is supposed to be translucent. Okay, I'm gonna take the blender. This that was new. No, sis, we bought this life. Bought this life, yes. Okay. Bam, 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 bam. I'm recording a video. Say hi.
Hi, girl. I want to know who that is.
Say hi.
It is. Hi, scary looking lady.
Honey, this is called baking. You thought only you could bake. You bake in the kitchen, I bake on my face. Hey.
Wow.
Okay, so this one now to me looks better than this one. This is the best I can get it, because I give up. Now you gotta put on mascara. So you put the glue on, you leave it for a little while, leave it get tacky. Okay, and then do I just look down? Yeah, I know, I forgot to get tweezers. I gotta, okay, so lashes for another time. I think we're trying to do too much one time, so I can just do my bottom liner. And we gotta add some this spray at the serum, and it'll go crazy with it. So we're gonna just Jesus. Whew. I didn't know I had enough. Okay, and then I don't know what it's supposed to do. Just making me look dirty. Cue the music.
Feeling myself, I'm 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 feeling.
Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching me struggle through this whole journey. Don't worry, I'm gonna have an updated one where I can actually do lashes. I'm gonna get there because we are professionals. Practice makes perfect. But anyways, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. If you like this video or videos like this, just let me know and I'll try to do more videos like this. But anyways guys, see you guys. Deuces.